Anyway, where are you from?
Philippines.
Wow, that's nice. Nice meeting you here.
Thank you. But
Are you
I'm
in the
here in
Philippines?
Japan now.
Oh,
Yes.
that's. I thought this Japanese in people is rich.
Mm, no.
Why?
Why, Yarone? Ay, Diyos ko. Kuya Alan, di ka ba mag-English? Ni-English po kining dollar niya ako. My God. Bonus mission. It's 40 seconds. Times
How
2.
long? How long you been staying in Japan?
Mental! Mental, kumbangwa. Here, 30.
Yes. Wow, long time.
Yes.
Is three
You have,
decade.
hmm?
3 decade.
What?
3 decade.
Dedicated for what? What is that?
Because your living is 30 years. Almost 3 decade.
I'm
Mm.
married. Japanese
You,
person. Japanese.
you married.
Yes, I had a two latest.
You married Japanese guy. Next, thank you. Yeah. I lose. Anyway,
Pero
maraming salamat ha. Maraming salamat guys.
eh, Pilipino ka naman pala, pahihirapan mo pa ako mag-English po kung dalat niya.
Nagdugo-dugo pa tuloy ilong ni ate.
Pai-Englishin mo pa ako ng grabe. Nasaan ka ba? Nasa Pinas, sa Japan? Kitchenes. Tapos pagtatawanan mo ako.